What does an AI-native customer experience look like at scale? For Essent, one of the largest energy companies in Europe, the answer is clear. Over half of all customer chats are now fully automated, and millions of euros are saved every year using AI agents for customer service. Essent is one of the largest energy companies in the Netherlands, serving 2.5 million customers. It handles millions of calls and hundreds of thousands of chats each year. This scale requires efficient, automated customer experience systems. Before adopting AI, agents relied on internal help desks to find information. This created delays of up to 3 minutes per interaction. Knowledge was difficult to access, and workflows were not fully automated. This reduced efficiency and slowed down customer support. Essent needed a scalable system that could automate interactions and support agents in real time. The goal was to implement enterprise agentic AI across customer service operations. Essent implemented NiCE CXone as its agentic AI platform. It deployed AI agents across voice, chat, and agent workflows. AI voice agents collect customer data automatically. AI copilots assist agents with real-time suggestions and summaries. This is an example of orchestrated AI agents working across the customer journey. Traditional chatbots handle simple queries. Agentic AI systems coordinate across channels and systems to resolve issues end-to-end. Compared to RPA, these AI agents adapt and make decisions in real time. The results show the impact of AI-driven customer journey orchestration. 55% of chats are fully automated. Agent Copilot reduced internal help desk workload and saved millions annually. Productivity increased as agents handled more conversations per hour. Essent is expanding AI across its customer experience operations. The goal is to scale service without increasing complexity or headcount. This is the future of autonomous AI agents for customer service. Essent's transformation shows how agentic AI for customer experience improves efficiency and scalability.